Yo, yo, what's good, everyone? I'm Joe, 23 Dan. Was on eBay, searched for a pair that I've been looking for I feel like I keep saying this every video, for quite some time, right? So, this is actually an added piece to a sneaker that I had lost, man, probably in 2005. Um, on social media, I was saying 7 years ago, but I actually looked back in my records, and in December of 2005, I actually sold this pair, and today I've reacquired it. Got on eBay, jumped on eBay. Usually have like those search alerts that come up on my iPhone notifications and stuff. And the seller was selling the sneaker, and so I figured, okay, well, it's kind of too high for what I want to pay. I'm gonna go ahead and message him, and he kind of had it at like 360 or something like that, and that was a lot more than what I wanted to pay. I wanted to pay maybe like 300 shipped. I wasn't gonna get that. He rebutted, or he countered back, and we agreed on 325 shipped. So when I sold this in 2005, it was 250 shipped. So I mean, you can say that I kind of lost, but I reacquired it after inflation over the years and stuff like that. And this is one of the, I guess, sought after pairs in the Air Jordan line. And it's kind of mind boggling because I don't know why it is. MJ's only worn this one time, and it was during the All Star game. So, with the title of the YouTube video that you see, you get the picture of what I'm trying to allude to. So, anyways, let's get into this. Um, Sellers, when you guys are packaging your stuff, please take the time to double box. Paper bag over the original box, no bueno, okay? So, it's just a little pet peeve of mine, boxes you can get free. I have a video on that on my YouTube channel. It just protects the pair a lot more if you just, double box. It's not that hard. Alright, so here we go. Let's kind of zoom in here a little bit. Here we have the Air Jordan 17 Low in the white lightning black chrome colorway. $149, $150 was retail price. I don't remember paper being in the pair when I sold mine, but definitely the bags. So let's take these out. This is a size 10.5. So Jordan Brand did a really nice job putting these guys in bags. Just nice cotton bags. Ooh. It's got the 17 logo right there, with the hit of the colorway right on the 17. Oh man, it's been since 2005. Nice. Nice, right? Let's get the other one. Yep, the Air Jordan 17 Low. MJ wore this one time, to my knowledge, in the 2002 NBA All-Star game. And it was the shoe that he missed the dunk. So yeah, check it out. Here's the toe, the yellow hit, the 17, Air Jordan 17. These are the nice metal aglets with the Jumpman on there. You got your chrome hits with that nice tumbled leather, and a nubuck right near the laces. It's got the mesh inner sock liner booty. Peel off sticker, always love that. The Jumpman right there on the back. the nice clean bottom. You can see the carbon fiber shining through a little bit. Now the lows didn't have the cover like the mids, and I'll get to that in a second. There's a little 23 tag right in there. And on the insole, you have a black insole with a yellow Jumpman. Let's check out the other shoe. You can see the air unit back here. Jumpman hit right there. Man, and just to like just acquire these back 9 years later, it's just so crazy, man. Alright, so there's the Air Jordan 17 Lightning. I want to go ahead and show you the rest of the family. So these are 10.5. There's the Air Jordan 17 Lightning. The other newly acquired Carolina Blue 17 Low. We have the Countdown Pack. We have the Copper 17s with that nice croc leather back. Then we have the black mid. Ooh, I'm gonna put this guy right there. Next up, we got the white and the red. There's the cover that we're talking about. So the mids all had covers, with the exception of the 17 plus and the the Countdown Pack had it. So this guy's cover is right in here, and there's the lace locks in there as well. And then the last part of my collection that I have, the College Blue 17. And there's one more missing, and I need your help. If you guys can look out, size 10 or 10.5 in the Air Jordan 17. It is the low Air Jordan 17 all black. That's the last one. Then I'll finally be able to complete the Air Jordan 17 family. So if you guys can look out, I'm on Twitter and Instagram. Let's make it happen. I'm going to try and complete this set. Everything is DS, so that's what I'm looking for. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for checking out the video. It's MJoe23Dan. Catch you guys next time. Take care.